Okay, let's talk real today. How much time do you actually waste every single day on a stuff that an AI can do just for you? Just like writing the same kind of emails, or like summarizing documents that you don't really have time to read, or maybe asking ChatGPT the same question five different ways because it just keeps getting it wrong. And that's exactly why I want to talk about Claude today, because I genuinely think most of the people are just sleeping on it. And I truly believe that Claude isn't just another chatbot. It thinks very, very differently. It reasons through your problems, it learns your writing style, it has the capability to connect to your tools. It could be either Slack, it could be your Gmail, and many more. And for developers, I would say it's really a game changer because it literally works inside your code base, like in your terminal. So in this video, that's exactly what we are going to cover today. First, I'll walk you through the 5 core features that every user gets completely for free. And then I'll just go deep diver into the advanced features. And finally, we are just going to break down every pricing plan of Claude from free all the way to enterprise level, so you know exactly which one makes sense for you. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's understand Claude first. So Claude is an AI assistant made by Anthropic. So it's like a conversational AI where you just type in your message and Claude understands it and responds intelligently to it. While building Claude, Anthropic's core focus was on building AI which is safe, honest, and helpful. Hence, Claude is designed with a strong emphasis on being safe and trustworthy while avoiding any harm. Alright, so you're now familiar with Claude, or maybe you have even tried it a little bit. But now the question that comes to my mind is, what exactly do you get with Claude? Like, what are the features, and is the features worth paying for it? And that's exactly what we are going to break down today. So let's dive in. Okay, so before we dive into the core features of the Claude, let's first talk about the frameworks that we have in Claude. So Claude come in 3 forms. The first one is Claude Chat, the second one is Claude Cowork, and the third one is Claude Code. So now let's talk about the very first, which is Claude Chat. So Claude Chat is like a classic chat interface that we have, and it's like conversational AI which is available on web, on your mobile, or mobile either iOS or Android, and on desktop. So here you can just type in your message and the Claude replies to it very intelligently. So this is like your everyday AI which is used for writing, research tasks, and answering the questions. And let me just show you how does it look like. So I'm talking about this here. We have 3 forms: chat, cowork, and code. So I'm talking about the chat feature where you can just click on new chat, and here you have the option to select your models here. So as you can see, we have 3 models over here, and we can choose more models when we just click on more models over here. So Haiku 4.5 is fastest and the most efficient model. 4. Sonnet 4.6 is used for everyday tasks and works really great. I personally used this one when I just go on my daily everyday task. I actually choose Sonnet 4.6, and Opus 4.7 is the most complex model, and it can be used when you want to work on a very complex task. And it has been mentioned over here that it consumes usage limit faster than other models. So you have the daily usage limit, and for your information, this is the pro version that I'm currently using. Now we have the second one, which is cowork. So here, as you can see, we have 2 options to select: chat and then cowork. So cowork is basically for people who actually want to get their things done in their computer self. For example, the people who are actually looking for a kind of assistant, or a kind of cowork for managing all of their daily tasks, or automating their workflows, or maybe managing their files. So let me just explain you how does cowork work. For example, I've given access, or I have integrated my Gmail account to my Claude itself, and I just want to find out, okay, hi, can you just give me the total count of my unread emails from my Gmail. Also, give me the total count of spam emails. I'm just giving you an example of how Cowork works. You can either choose your model from here. Since I'm working on Sonnet 4.6, which I absolutely think is fine for this particular task, so I'll just click here, and let's see what it gives me. So it's going to consume some time, and let's see what it can just give you. Okay, so now as you can see, it has access to my Gmail account from the connectors. You can see Gmail, and now it is searching for my email threads. So as you can see, it's searching for my email threads, and now it has given me that you have roughly 201 unread email threads and 0 spam emails in your Gmail right now. So that is the magic of Cowork, and that's how Cowork helps you manage your task. So you can just connect your Gmail, you can connect your Slack, even you can connect your Google Drive or the files, or maybe GitHub, your Figma, and all of this. So it's absolutely amazing to connect all of these tools to just get your work done, which you are spending hours in on the daily basis. So that's the power of Claude Cowork. So let's now talk about Claude Code. Claude Code is specifically for developers. So Claude Code runs straight from your terminal inside your actual code base. So it can read your file, it can write the code, it can even run tests and make commits. So it's basically a kind of senior engineer that works at the speed of AI. So that's the power of Claude Code. Okay, so let's now talk about the core features that Claude offers. So here we are just going to uncover the features that you get completely free of cost. So the very first feature that you see here is the chat feature. So basically this is the most basic feature that Claude offers, where you just type in your message, and it responds to it immediately. So basically it is available in web, in iOS, in Android, and even in desktop. So now the second one is editing and writing. So basically here you can just ask it to write emails, post scripts, or even if you don't want to write it from scratch, you just want to refine your already written writings, so it can even refine those instantly. Now the third one is the coding and data. So basically, even if you are not a developer, it can directly write the formulas for you. It can even bug fixes in your code, and can probably give you the formulas that you may need. So yeah, you don't need to have a heavy coding skills to use Claude. So it can even build a simple web page for you. You can just write a simple prompt in English, build a web page for me, for my website, and just give you can just give the details of the web page, or how you want to make it look, or how exactly you want your web page to be, and it can just build it for you. Now the fourth feature that Claude offers is analyzing text and images. So basically here you can just upload your PDFs or photos, and the Claude will read and answer questions through it. So basically it's super handy if you have got a long report and you just need to understand it very quickly. So you can just upload your document to it, and you can just ask questions directly from Claude, and Claude will analyze all that for you. Now the fifth one is the web search. So this is absolutely amazing. So Claude can actually go out and search the internet for you. So it's not just very limited to what it already knows. It can even pull the fresh and up-to-date information for you. So now all of these features that we have covered are absolutely free of cost. So basically you don't need to pay anything to Claude. You can directly sign up, and you're good to get all of these features. Let's now talk about the advanced feature that Claude offers. So, when you just move to a paid plan, a whole new layer of features opens up, and honestly, I would say some of these are really, really powerful and super interesting since I've been using them personally. So, the very first advanced feature that we'll be talking about is projects. So, imagine that you're working on multiple projects at a time. Maybe, let's say, you own a YouTube channel, or maybe you're working on a freelance project, or let's say you have multiple projects in your daily work job. So with projects, you can just create a separate folder for each one, and inside each project, you can just give Claude a set of instructions that you want Claude to remember every single time whenever working on that particular project. So for your YouTube project, you could always say something like, I want my tone to be very fun and the casual while writing scripts for my tech audience, and Claude will remember that automatically whenever you'll be working on that particular project, or whenever you'll be chatting inside the project. Claude will remember those set of instructions that you've already set for that particular project. So you don't need to repeat yourself every single time while you work on that particular project. So it's like a massive time saver for you. Now the next feature that comes up is the research feature, and this I believe is one of my personal favorite, because when you ask Claude to research a topic, and instead of just giving you a quick answer, it actually digs deep into it and just pulls up information from multiple sources, even after cross-referencing the information and giving you a really, really thorough breakdown. So it's like having a research assistant on demand almost 24 hours a day for you. Now the third feature is the extended thinking feature, and this one is great for complex stuff like if you're just trying to solve a tricky problem, or you just want to make a big decision, or let's say you just want to work through something with a lot of moving parts. So instead of just giving you a surface level answer, Claude actually slows down its speed and just reasons through it every step by step. So the quality of the output is noticeably better for hard tasks if you're making use of this feature. Okay, so now let's talk about the next feature, and I really want you to pay attention to this because it's one of the most powerful feature that Claude has, and most people don't even know that it already exists. So I'm talking about the skills feature here. So here's the thing, that there are certain tasks that you probably ask Claude to do over and over again, right? Maybe every week you ask it to summarize your meeting notes the same way, or every time you ask writing a blog post, you give Claude the same long set of instructions about your format, your tone, and your audience. And that gets completely repetitive and it probably slows down your speed. So, skills can completely solve this problem. A skill is basically a custom workflow that you build once and then trigger instantly with a simple slash command whenever you need it. So, for example, you could just create a skill called weekly report that tells Claude exactly how to pull your notes, structure a summary, and format the output your way every single time. Or you can just create a skill like slash blog post skill that has all your writing rules, your SEO checklist, and your tone guide. So everything that has been baked in already. So you just type a slash command and the Claude follows your entire workflow automatically. So you don't need to re-explain everything every single time. And if you're on a team, this gets even more powerful. You can just share your skills across the whole team. So everyone gets the same slash commands, the same workflow standards, and the same quality output. So you are not just training Claude for yourself, you are encoding your entire team's way of working into reusable commands that anyone can trigger. Now, on top of that, Cowork also supports something called plugins, which takes skills one step further. A plugin lets you bundle together multiple skills connectors, slash commands, and even sub agents into one package, basically turning Claude into a specialist for your specific role or team. So, if you are in sales, content, or finance, you can just build or install a plugin that makes Claude work exactly the way your function needs it to be. Moving on, there is also Google Workspace integration. So this means you can just connect your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Docs directly to Claude that we have already discussed earlier. Then there are MCP integrations, which is basically a way to connect Claude to pretty much any other tool or app that you use. Think like Notion, Slack, databases, and CRMs. Whatever your workflow runs on, instead of jumping between 10 different tools, Claude becomes the one place you go to get things done across all of them. And finally, the Claude code. This one is specifically for developers. It lets you run Claude directly from your computer's terminal inside your actual code base. It reads your files, writes your codes, run your tests, and make commits. The whole engineering workflow runs into it. And this is also where a lot of the skills and slash command power really shines for technical teams. So if you're a developer, this is absolutely worth exploring for you. Okay, so let's now explore the pricing plans of Claude. So here we have 5 plans in total. The very first plan is the free plan, which costs you $0, and here you get access to Claude Sonnet, web search, writing, coding, image analysis, and all of that. So this plan is perfect for the people who are just getting started using Claude in their work. Now here we have the second one, which is the pro plan. So it costs you around $20 a month, and this is the one I would recommend for most of the people since I'm personally using this plan. And here you get 5 times more usage limit than the free plan, and also you'll get all the advanced features like projects, research, extended thinking, MCP integration, skills, and all of that. So if you're using Claude regularly for your work or your content, this one is your perfect plan. Now the third one is the max plan, which costs you around $100 a month, and this is perfect for people who heavily use Claude almost every day. So this is for power users. So here you get 5 to 20 times more usage limit than the pro plan, and also you get high output limits and the priority access when traffic is very high. So if pro limits are just slowing you down, then max is the plan that you can probably opt for. Then we have the team plan, which costs you around $30 per user per month. So this is specifically perfect if you run a small team or run a small business. So here also you get all the pro features plus central billing, and also the collaboration features that you get since you're running a small team, and also more usage. And finally we have the enterprise plan, which has the custom pricing. So you need to contact Anthropic for the pricing details in this case, and this one is for large organizations specifically that need SSO and role based permissions like audit logs and compliance features. So if you want full security stack, then probably you can opt for the enterprise level plan. if you're running a big company. All right, so now you have got a whole picture of the pricing plans of Claude. So you know what Claude can do and which features are free, which one opens up when you opt for the plan. All right, guys, so this is what I wanted to cover in this video. But here is one personal advice I would like to give to you, that start using Claude today. Start with a free plan at least. Get your hands onto it, play around it, and if you find yourself hitting daily usage limit, just upgrade to the pro plan and start integrating in your daily work. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video with you guys today. Let me know if you find this video helpful. Drop a like and comment if you want me to explore any particular feature that you would like to see in detail, and I'll come up with an video with a detailed video for you for the use cases of each feature that you want to see soon. Thank you guys, see you soon, bye bye.